Okay, so I'll go over a few problems from the homework on page 418. I asked everyone to please do numbers 1 to 7 odd. So, taking a look at page 418 gives us a triangle. And this is 4, this is 3. Using Pythagorean theorem, we know that this would have to be 5, or our special triangle. And it asks us to do, well, I asked you to do 1 to 7 odd. So the first one was find the sine of theta. Well, that's 3/5. So we know number 7, the cosecant of 2 theta. What we could do is we could use 1 divided by the sine. So we'll do that later. I got a little excited. Sorry, guys. So for number 3, it asks us what's the cosine of 2 theta. Well, the formula would be the cosine squared of theta minus the sine squared of theta. Cosine squared would be 4 over 5 squared, minus the sine squared would be 3 over 5 squared. So 16 over 25 minus 9 over 25 would be 7 over the 25. Number 5, I asked you what's the tangent of 2 theta. And the formula was we do 2 times the tangent of theta over 1 minus the tangent squared of theta. So 2 times the tangent divided by 1 minus 3/4 squared. So I could do this in my head. Let me just do it on the calculator quickly here. The numerator would be 6 over 4. The denominator, 1 minus 3/4 squared is 7 over 16. So we have 6/4 divided by 7 over 16 is 24 over 7. And then for number 7, it's asking us to find the cosecant of 2 theta, which we know is 1 over the sine of 2 theta. The sine of 2 theta was 2 times the sine of theta cosine theta, which for this triangle would be 1 over 2 times 3/5. Cosine would be 4/5. So I'm going to type in the bottom and then find the reciprocal. 2 parentheses 3/5 times 4/5. And I get 24 over 25, which is 25 over 24. That should be the answer. Let me just double check in the back of the book on page 418. 25 over 24. Yep. All right, cool. So I'm not making this stuff up. All right, that's the homework review. Stay tuned for today's lesson.